How to use Fedex account number to ship. Now, first of all, log into your account by clicking on sign in and provide username and password to access your account. After that, start a shipment. So after logging your account, find ship option on the home in the top menu and click on ship to begin the shipping process. After that, enter the shipment details. So sender and the recipient address. Now you can provide package weight and size and shipping service example, ground, express, etc. So fill out the information accurately. Now, after that, enter your Fedex account number. So when you get the payment section, there will be option to enter Fedex account number. Enter your 9-digit Fedex account number here, as you can see, and this will charge your shipping fees directly to your account. After that, review and confirm. So double check all your shipment details, including recipient address and payment method. So if everything looks correct, click on confirm. And now after that, print your shipping label. So once your shipment is confirmed, you will be able to print a shipping label, attach the label to your package and drop it off at the Fedex location or schedule a pickup. Now, so this is how to use Fedex account number to ship. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.